Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Java, and I hope you understand that. Like we have started the Java series, and I hope you are just understanding that all videos which we have covered up using Java. So today we are just not working with Java. Today I will be telling you about React 18 because you all know that before Java we were working on React 18 and we have covered up many of the videos using React 18. So we have not ended up React 18 yet. Like we will be just now doing one video of React 18 and one video of Java. So today we are doing the video of React 18, and in this video I will be building an amazing project using React 18, and I hope you'll be enjoying today's project as well because it will be giving you help. Today we will be using array map, and using just this array map we will be building an amazing project using React 18, and I hope you'll be understanding this project as well. If you understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well so you can just see all the coming up videos, and remember to check out my all the previous videos which I have done here using different languages because that will also giving you help if you want to learn that all stuff. I've also just covered up many of the Java things, but I have not built any of the project using Java. Like I have just set up the development environment. I've telling you what is Java, and I've also given you the introduction about Java. You can check that video out if you want to learn about Java from start. And you can also just check out my all the JavaScript videos because I have now finished the JavaScript series, but that will give help to a beginner if they learn JavaScript, that one series from start to end. Because that were project based series, that were small and big project means that were mixed project, but that will giving you help if you want to just build projects using that tutorial, and I hope you'll be enjoying that things. I'm also uploading the big videos, so here I will be just uploading more big videos. You can also suggest me in the comment what things should I make using which language. So I'll be building that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding that. And you can also just ask any question related to these projects which I am building. You can ask it under comment section, or you can also just ask me personally through my contact links which I have given you, like through my Gmail or my social media icons like Facebook, Instagram. You can contact me there as well because I am active there also. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing that how we can just build our today's React 18 project using array map in React 18 from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just working with React 18, and today we will be working with array map, and using array map we will be building our today's project. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing that what we are building today using array map. So for working with array map, here you have to open your VS Code. After opening the VS Code, I will be opening my folder because you all know that in the first React 18 video I've created one folder which is available on local disk E. So I will be opening that folder through my local disk E. You can see this, here is our folder app1 that was. So I'll be pressing and select this folder. Then I will be now moving to my terminal and running this by writing the command of npm start, because when we want to run our React 18, React or React.js app, so we write this command to run that. Now these are the main files which I have opened. So I will be now working with these files. So here I will be raising this codes which we have already written because I will be not needing these all stuff. And then I will be just moving to this file, and here as well we have erased all the codes. So now here you will be writing all the main codes of React 18 which you want here. You can also put some of the logo images here to just define that in your file, but I think that you should not do that thing because that will just give you some other errors if they give, so it will be really difficult for you to debug them. So now I'm just waiting for this to run, means to we are waiting for this React 18 app to run. Now it is running. So now we'll be getting the command of starting development server here at the top, and it will be opening our server on our default Microsoft Edge browser. You can see it is now starting. So this is our Microsoft Edge browser. Now I will be doing it side by side, and after doing it side by side, here I will be making the coding side bigger. After making coding side bigger, here I will be now closing this terminal because now I will be not needing. But before that, we have to see that it is compiled. You can see now we are getting the title here, and it is saying that compiled successfully. You can just view it in F1 browser. So I will be now just moving to my file, and first of all I will be changing the title here. So you can see this is the title written. I will be now just writing the title here, which should be like array map because we are working with array map here in this video. So I will be writing here array literals because we are working with array literals here. Now save it. You can see we are just now getting here array literals written here. After getting this array literals, now we have to just start the codes which we want to work with. So basically array literals are used for putting some images here on your pages. So still on this video we'll be learning about like how you can just put images using array literals. So for putting images, you have to put an image tag. After putting an image tag here, you have to write source, and then you have to close it by writing this tag. But before source, here you have to write alt. Alt means alternate. means alternate of the image you can write if your image does not come. So I'll be writing this is an image, this will be my alternate sign here. Save. Now if you want to get your image, it is just giving me alternate because I have just not put any of the link, and it's means that it is giving some error here. So we have to now put the source link of the image. You can put from Google as well. Like if I move to Google and put this Google logo image, so I will be now just closing this. Then I will be now copying the image link here. So I will be copying the image link and then pasting it here. Save it. Then here you can see now we are just getting the Google logo here. So you can now style this Google logo here, and you can make it in center as well if you want to do this. Like you can just move to app.css file, then you can just write the image tag, and you can write here text align center, and then you can just give it the spacing here like padding bottom 20 pixel, like this all stuff you can do this. And after doing this all things here, if I just move, you can see this, we are just getting all this stuff. So here now you can just style this as well, like writing this tag, and you can just make it more good looking here. So you can also just write directly padding top like this. Save it. So you can see now we are just getting this. So here you can make it 100. Save. So like this, here you are getting this. So you can just write here a tag, like here you can just write padding right, or you can say padding left, which should be like 100. Save. And you can see now it is moving in center here. So you can align it with your own you can say with your own effects which you want to make it here. So like this you can align it. So now you can see it is coming in center. So I will be making it to 480. Save it. Reload. Now you can see it is in the center. So you can just now make it down. So I will be making it 300. Reload. Now I can see it is just too much down, I think that. So I will be making it to 200. Now full screen, you can see now we are just getting it here, and still I think that it is too much bigger. So I will be making it to 170. Then here you can see we are just getting now down. You can build the input box here as well. So if I just move down after this, and then if I create an input box, and in input I will be now just writing here type. So here I will be writing input type text. Then I will be now just writing placeholder. In placeholder I will be now just writing here search here. So after writing this search here, you have to write this and then close this. But before closing here, you have to write this tag. So you can see we are just getting one input box here down. You can just style this input box, but before that I want to move to Google and check what we have written in the input box here. So you can see here we have just written nothing. You can style this input box here by giving some border effect and the things which you want to give here. So I will be now just moving here in this file. After moving, you have to just move down, and then I will be giving spacing from here. So I will be just giving br tag, and after creating this br tag, here you have to now save it, and then you can see we are just getting this here. After getting this thing, just here you can just now style it. So for styling, move in this file, then you have to now make it in center. So I'll be writing here padding left, which will be 500. Save it, and you can see this, we are now just getting it too much bigger, but I just don't want this here. So here I will be now writing dot. Now when you've just written this, here I will be moving down, and then I will be just writing div class name, and after writing this class name, here I will be now just writing here like input, and then you have to close it, copy this close div from here, and then you have to just move here after this and paste it. Save it here, and then you have to move here, save. Now you can see we are just getting it in center. Now you can style this, but before styling, still if you want that it should be on another line, so you can make it by writing this same br tag. Save it here, and then you can see it is in another line. Now move here and make an input tag here as well. After creating an input tag, you can just increase its width here, and I will be writing here 200%. Save it, and you can see it is too much bigger here, means its width. So here you can just make this padding right here. So I will be now just writing here padding right, which will be like 100. Save it. Now if I just show you, you can see we are just getting it. So here I will be now writing here like this. So after getting this thing, just here I will be now doing one thing, like I will be making it to forward here. So I will be writing here 200, and then here you have to just move here, save it. And after saving, you can see we are just getting that all stuff. So after just getting this, here I will be now just writing here 500 pixel like this. Save it. Then you can see we are just getting all this stuff. So if you want to make it here. So I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing here padding left, save it. And then if I just move, you can see here we are just getting this. So I will be now just writing 400, and then I will be moving at the back, right here 300 as well. Now when you've written this, still I will be making it bigger. So I will be writing here 700. Now you can see it is too much bigger. So I will be making it at the back. So right here 200. Now here when you are getting this, so I will be making it 250. Save it. And then if I just show you, you can see now here you can style it. So for styling, you have to move right its padding, which should be like 20 pixel. You can make the spacing, save it. So you can see, I think that too much here it is spacing. So I will be making it 15. And after making 15, you can see it is just like this. And when you are getting this thing here, you can just make the border radius here. So I will be writing here border radius. And in border radius, I will be now just writing here 20 pixel, save it. And then you can see we are just getting it here. So I will be writing 25. Now it is too much here. So I will be now just writing here border none, and I will be now just writing here box shadow. So here I will be writing 0 0 4 pixel, and then you write here 0. Save it. Now you can see we are just getting here this thing, and after getting this here, you have to now just you have to move here, and in border I will be writing 1 pix. So here I will be writing 1 pix solid black, save it. Then you can see we are just getting the black here, and now we have to just give the box shadow at the back. So for giving box shadow here, you have to move down right here, input hover, and in hover I will be writing transition, which should be like 0.9s. Then you have to now just create here box shadow. In box shadow I will be now just writing 0 0 4 pixel, then I will be writing 1 pixel 0, save it. Then you can see when I'm hovering on this, so we will be just now getting a hover effect here. So I will be now erasing this thing from here, and then you have to just now save it, and then you have to now just hover on this. So here you will be just now getting this thing. So here if I just show you, save it, and you can see now we are just getting the hover effect here. So if I just make it to 2 pixel, and then you can see we are just getting this here, and from the top also I want this. So here I will be now writing 1 pixel, save it. And now you can see we are just getting this. So here as well I will be making, save it here. And now if I just show you, you can see we are just getting it 1 pixel. And now you can see this, we are getting here the box shadow, you can see, which is looking awesome. So like this you can just work on these all things, and I hope you understand this, how we can just work on array literals. So like this you can work on array literals, and you can put these images. I have also built the input box using array literals. So I hope you understand this video of array literals in React 18, and I hope you understand how you can just work with this project. So if you have understand and enjoyed this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things, because I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that as well. So just I'll be with you next project. So for today, goodbye.